welcome back to another one of our videos. We brought you here after some good luck last week with the gold ring. Absolute fascinating find, so bit of luck, we're going to find something for you today. I'm Dave, Tom's over there in the distance setting up his dais right now, so sit back, make yourself a brew. Hopefully we'll find something good. You're watching The Detectits. Right, here he is. What are you running in, Tom?
XPDS wet beach program with the XY screen.
Lovely.
I've never used it on the beach before, so it should be fun.
Good stuff. I'll leave you to it then. Well, I'm going to be using the EQUINOX 800. I'm going to be running it in the 4x4 program with the new iron bias setting on it, so we'll crack on and we'll see you on the first target. Oh, lovely. First target. Reading in 23-24. Let's give it a go. Target's now out the hole. Not reading as good as I would have hoped. Was reading solid 23 before. Let's have a look. Hang on. What's this? Oh, it looks. I think we've got a bronze ring or something, or a cut off a pipe. I don't know. I think it's a ring, that. We'll clean it up and we'll see what it is. Yeah, well, I've given a slight clean. Yeah, that's me jumping to conclusions again. Silly me. Yeah, it's just the offcut of a piece of copper pipe. Anyway, nearly fooled me. There we got another good signal. I do apologise for this wind. Getting 21-22 by 21-22. She's right there. Let's get a live dig on this one. Hitting that. She is. What the? Oh God. Tell you what, thanks for having me on this beach. Yeah, we've got a pound coin. Don't you just love seeing gold? Yeah, there it is. Okay, next signal, a little bit lower. Coming in at 11. Like straight 11. Let's get it open. Okay, you'll have to excuse this wind again, guys. Tom's calling me over. Looks like he's found something. What we got, Tom?
Got a 1966 penny.
Oh, that's a good find.
About 3 inches.
Is it?
Yeah.
Lovely. We'll get that cleaned up and we'll show you after this clip. Okay, I've just opened this hole up and we've got 5p. Next target, 17, 18. Let's have a look. I'll tell you what, I don't think we could have picked a windier day. Where are we? No, we haven't got it. Just hang on. Got it now. Well, whatever that is, it's deep. Very deep. Gotta be out now. Oh, hang on. What's this? Huh. Yeah. If you have any idea what that is, let us know. I think it's just a big piece of pipe or junk.
That one's worth a dig. High 80s, low 90s. It looks a lot easier than digging in a field. Sounds so good now. Is it that piece of coal?
Reading 16. Get it open. That's a coin. 20p. There you go. Here she is. Well, I've totally lost this target. Where the hell? Oh, here we go. Is it rubbish? Is that it? Yeah. Just some junk. Yeah. I'm getting a nice reading here on the dais again.
It sounds too good. Usually when it sounds too good. Dying. Sorry, piece of
There.
cap.
Yeah. Here he is.
See.
There she goes, chasing the bag of life. Another signal. Coming in at 16. Let's have a look. Are we in? Right, now this is a good signal. Famous ring pull. Oh well. Next target now. Coming in at 9. Holes open. Yeah, I think it's just junk, guys. What's your reading, Tom?
Reading. Signal 52.
52.
Lovely. The Victorian Calypso lid.
Another great signal. Going in at 14. Nice and loud. 14 again. Let's get it open. We got it. We have. Here he is. Got 10p. Lovely. Looks like we've had a little bit of a coin spill here because we had that target, that was the 10p, and literally just next to it we've got a 20p. Looks like, yeah. Here he is. Okay guys, the wind seems to have died down a lot now, so I'm just going to quickly tell you about the giveaway we're going to be doing when we reach 200 subscribers. So when we do reach that 200 subscriber mark, we're going to be giving away a free black adder spade. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, you'll be in with a chance to win that. I can see Tom just here's dug something. Giving a good signal, Tom.
I've already got it out here.
What are we on?
I know exactly what it is.
Give it to us.
It's probably a Gillette razor blade. Yeah.
Lovely. Another signal coming in now. 14. Almost seems too good to be true. Get it out. See if we got it. And it's out. We've got a coin. That's another 10p. He is. Hey, Tom's calling me over. You alright, mate?
Yeah. I'm not an expert on spoons, but is it silver?
Hey, it is. Hey, that's that. Yeah, silver spoon.
It's cracked.
Yeah, nice find. Yeah, we'll clean that up and we'll put a picture on if anybody can identify that hallmark for us. That'd be great. For the year, thank you.
Silver test. We'll get back.
Nice find. Okay, now Tom's found that silver spoon. Tom's decided we're going to now try up along this pier, aren't we, Tom?
Gaps.
Definitely. So obviously Southport definitely has Victorian history. So yeah, we're going to try up along this pier. We're going to...
No, Dave. Look at me having an argument.
That's it. They've had an argument, threw something off. We're going to find it. Let's go. What you got, Tom? 10 pence. Right, everyone, we're about to retreat back to the van. The weather was getting really windy out there. Yeah, it's been fun getting out. Had a few nice coins. Nothing significant, but it's just nice to get out. Tom's mystery spoon. Still got that to look forward to, so we'll get back, give it a clean, put a pic on for you, and if anybody can date it, maybe let us know about the hallmark. It'd be highly appreciated. So, Tom? Don't forget to like and subscribe. When we reach the 200 subscriber mark, we'll be giving away that Blackadder spade. Definitely worth getting a subscription involved, guys. You win a Blackadder spade for nothing. Well worth it. So till the next video, I'll see you guys later and stay tuned.